This is the Sun Balm SPF 30 Sunscreen Lip Balm. This is the variety pack. Coconut, banana, and watermelon. Comes in loud, fun, and very confident. What I love, SPF 30 actually protects those lips. It isn't an afterthought. It's legit sun care, okay? Flavors you want to use. The watermelon is easy, the crowd-pleasing coconut, and the banana is so bold and not shy about it. Smooth, comfort glide, and actually looks healthy on the lips. Sun protection lip balm first, not heavy duty repair lip balm. We're focusing on sun protection, okay? It softens in the heat, so treat this like summer gear, not car console equipment. Be mindful not to leave this in your car because it will melt. So, if you want lip SPF, you'll actually reapply because you will reapply this. The smell is amazing, it feels good, and it doesn't taste like sunscreen, okay? So, they keep it fun, they keep it functional, and this is unmistakably Sun Balm. You won't miss it. You know the brand, you know the smells, okay? If you want lip balm that's SPF that you'll actually use, hey, you know what? Because it smells good, it tastes good, and it doesn't feel like medicine. This trio earns its spot. Fun, functional, and very on brand for Sun Balm. Highly recommend this lip balm variety pack, coconut, banana, and watermelon by Sun Balm. The opinions in this review are based on real use. The product was provided by the brand.